What can you get for just under $700,000 in Lakewood Ranch? Let's take a look. Today we are in Lorraine Lakes in the Trevi model, and it is awesome. For just under $700,000, you get 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,000 square feet, and an awesome lifestyle. Stay to the end of the video and I'll show you in a map how everything works out. Let's go see it. All right, as I promised, here is the map. And this is on our website, oasisgroupfl.com. And as you see here, these are our area of expertise. And if you want to get a hold of us, all you got to do is click this. The first thing that will pop up will be a bot, but after that, it'll be me, my wife, or someone that works with us, but probably me. And it's a completely free website, so you don't have to worry. You don't have to put your name. You don't have to put your number or email, so do not worry about that. Also on the website, we have got Yelp reviews with Yelp. We've got a mortgage calculator. We've got school systems in the area. And here is the actual map. And here is Lorraine Lakes. Lorraine Lakes, is made by Lennar. And Lennar is one of the biggest home builders on the planet. And they do a very good job. And here is where they're at here. And it's a pretty big complex. So, and as you see from the videos, so you are about 15 minutes away from the UTC Mall. Now, the UTC Mall is fantastic. Whether you want to go to the mall, whether you want to get something fantastic to eat, you've got so many shops there. And it's really something that's really big and very bold. And really, it's very popular. Also, another popular thing is Siesta Key. So you're about 45 minutes away with traffic, about 35 minutes without traffic, to the best beach in the world. I mean, always ranked in the top 10, at least the top 5 on the planet. So it's really neat. You also have all the different beaches right here. You are a half an hour door to door to the Sarasota airport, which means you are great. Anywhere you want to go in the world, it's 75 will get you up and down Florida very fast. Sarasota airport is only a half an hour away. The Tampa airport is an hour and a half away because you have to go through Sarasota and you have to go through Tampa because it's up north of Tampa. And you are an hour and 45 minutes away from Disney. You are 2 hours away from Universal Studios and 3.5 hours away from Miami. So you are like centrally located in Florida. So wherever you want to go, it's only a drive away. It is really a great place. And here's the best part about Sarasota. Over 250 days of sunshine. It's incredible. It really is. It is really neat. Also here is all the different museums and all the areas of interest that you can go to. And here's what everyone always asks. They're like, Jeff, tell me about the golf. Here is the golf. So, and that's only the ones that I know about. So I'm sure there are plenty of other places. If you get to do a quarter of this, reach out to me, let me know, and let me know your thoughts on each one, because it's really a great place to go golfing. Listen, whether you're going to move here within 2 months or 2 years, doesn't matter. Just reach out. We'd love to help you become one of our clients. You can see the pictures coming in now. We'd love to have you make a smooth move to Lorraine Lakes or anywhere, Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota, or Bradenton, anywhere we would like to help you. So anyway, have a great day and see you on the next video.